my beautiful people, Coach Gabby here, and I'm super excited because today we have a knee-friendly booty and leg workout, all right? No jumping, no squats, no lunges, all right? How awesome is that? It's gonna be great, so let's get into it. We will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through what we're doing as I do it with you, and then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We just go straight through the routine. All right, starting with our first exercise, we have a single leg abduction, standing in a strong beginner stance, all right? Feet are hip width apart. We're gonna bring our knee up, all right, and then open it, all right? That's gonna use this muscle right here, the piriformis muscle and the outer thigh, all right? So that's where you should feel it. Go up and then open and then come down. Now slow, this isn't fast, all right? We really wanna use that muscle right there. So if you need to hold on to a chair or a wall, anything like that, go for it. If not, practice your balance, use those core muscles and go slow. Up and then open, down. Up, open, down. And there we have it, alternating single leg abductions, all right? Big breath, 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go, all right? So up and then open, all right? Very good. Make sure you keep your hips squared forward. Awesome job. Big breaths. Almost there, 10 more seconds. Take your time. Also use a flexed foot. That's gonna help you engage your leg muscles a little bit more. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good, pedal those feet. Next, we have a high knee to tap, all right? So we're going high knee and then tapping backwards, all right? Up and then back. Up, squeezing your butt muscle right here, and then back, all right? So high knee to back tap, all right? If going back is too much for you, go ahead and do a high knee to side tap, all right? Just do a little one right there. Remember, hold on to a wall or a chair if you need to. If not, go ahead, practice that balance, use those core muscles. Up and back, very good. Big breath, 30 seconds, and let's go. So up and then back. And when you come back, that standing foot has a slight bend, all right? So it's not locked in, it's not straight, it has a nice little bend so that you can come back up and move freely, all right? Very good. Big breath, nice straight posture, all right? We're not using our upper body to meet our knee, all right? We're not coming down here, all right? No, staying up, boom, and then down, very good. Awesome job. Big breath, and 3, 2, last one, and shake it out. Very, very good. Woo, I already feel a little burn in the bums. Awesome. Moving on to kick backs, all right? A booty classic. All right, standing strong and tall. We're gonna bring one foot out, and then we're gonna kick it back. All right, kick backs. And there we have it. 30 seconds one side, and then we're gonna switch to the other. Big breath. Very good. Ready position. And let's go. All right, bring that foot out and then kicking it back. Here, same thing, we're not using our torso to influence our movement, all right? We stay nice and still, upward, all right? We don't go forward to bring our foot up. We wanna use our bum muscle and our leg muscles to do that, all right? So staying still and kicking backwards, very good. You can also kick a little bit more to the side back. All right, that's just gonna use a little slightly different muscle, but still your bum and your legs, all right? The back uses more of the bottom biscuit, all right? And then the side uses more this piriformis side muscle, right? So depending on what you wanna work on. And 3, 2, 1, and together, very good. Pedal, pedal, pedal. And other side, 30 seconds. Let's go. Breathing. Nice strong core, that's what's gonna help you balance. Very good. You can have your hands like mine or out to your on your hips, out to the side. All right, up if you want. Whatever feels more comfortable for you. And if you want to work, your arm muscles a little bit more, then I recommend something more holding here. Very good. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very, very good. Next, we have side leg lifts, all right? We're gonna do one at a time. All right, now you can stay straight like this and just lift to the side, or you can have a nice bend at your knee, have your leg out to the side already, keep it there, and then kind of tap it down as you come down. All right, you can do that, or go ahead, stand straight, and go out to the side like so. I did this one in a video recently, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch it up and do my standing straight one. But go ahead, either one is a great option. They're just a little bit different, all right? Whatever works best for you. 30 seconds one side, big breath. And begin, all right? Now, whichever variation you're doing, you're gonna have a straight back. So even if you're bent over a little bit, straight back. If you're standing, straight back, all right? Using that side muscle right here, your piriformis, to really, boom, bring your leg up. Well, remember, we're not going to the side with our leg, okay? Staying still, just using that lower body, very good. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Pedal those knees, shake it out. And other side, 30 seconds. Let's go. Breathing. I know I sound like a broken record, but it's easy to forget to breathe when we're focusing on something, and I am just here to remind you, and myself, I do it too, okay? So big breaths. Super important to deliver oxygen to your muscles always, but especially when you're working out, all right? Make sure you have a little bend in the knee too, all right? We don't want locked knees, locked legs. We want blood flow throughout the body. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. There we have it. Set one of your knee-friendly lower body workout. We're gonna grab some water, take a second, and then crush set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, less talking on my part, more doing. We're going straight through the routine. You know what to do. We have our single leg abductions, all right, alternating. And then we have our high knee to tap, very good, alternating. And then we have our kickbacks, 30 seconds one side, 30 seconds the other. And then our side leg lifts, 30 seconds one side, 30 seconds the other. If you weren't with us for our first set, I give a lot of modifications and different variations, so go check it out. If not, starting right here, our second set, starting with our single leg abduction, 30 seconds, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Pedal those knees, high knee to tap, big breath. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Big breath and kickbacks one side. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Other side. Let's go. Three, 2, 1, and very good. Shake, 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 shake it out. Side leg lifts, one side. Big breath, let's go. Three, 2, 1, very good. Bend those knees, and other side. Three, 2, 1, and there we have it. Very good. Shake it out. Big breath. 2 sets of our standing booty and leg workout, knee friendly. Take a second, grab some water, and we're gonna kill set number 3. Alrighty, my beautiful people, let's keep up the energy. You got this. One more set to go. Big breaths, proper posture. You got this. Starting with our single leg abduction. Big breath, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Pedal those knees, high knee to tap. Big breath, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Big breath, and kickbacks one side. Let's go. Three, 2, 1, very good. Other side, let's go. 3, 2, 1, and very good. Shake, 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 shake it out. Side leg lifts, one side. Big breath, let's go. 3, 2, 1, very good. Bend those knees, and other side. Three, 2, 1, and there we have it. And that was it. Awesome job. 3 sets of your knee-friendly booty and leg workout. Perfect time for spring and summer. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And then if you haven't already, what are you doing? Please click subscribe, click the bell that lets you know when we post so you don't miss out on anything, all right? I hope to see you on the next one.